top Bhajan clubbing destinations in America. Spiritual Nightlife Travel Guide. Welcome to KrossTrail, the channel where we cross borders, explore cultures, and follow the hidden trails that connect the world, not just through roads, but through rhythm, devotion, and the human spirit. Today, we take you on a different kind of journey. Not to loud nightclubs filled with flashing lights and crowded dance floors, but to sacred spaces, transformed after sunset, where ancient mantras replace DJs, where devotion becomes the dance, and where music becomes meditation. Welcome to Bhajan Clubbing, also known as spiritual nightlife. Across the United States, a quiet revolution is happening. From New York to California, from mountain towns to ocean shores, thousands gather at night, barefoot, eyes closed, hearts open, singing the same ancient chants that have echoed through India for thousands of years. This is not religion as obligation. This is devotion as celebration. This is nightlife with a soul. In this guide, we'll explore the top cities for Bhajan clubbing in America, what really happens inside these gatherings, who attends them, what to wear, what to expect, and how you can experience it yourself. So, dim the lights, put on your headphones, and let your mind travel. This is your spiritual nightlife travel guide. What is Bhajan clubbing? Before we begin our journey, let's understand the phenomenon. Bhajans are devotional songs. They come from ancient Indian traditions, simple melodies, repetitive lines, deep meaning. They are designed not to impress the mind, but to soften the heart. Kirtan is the group version. Call and response. One voice leads, hundreds follow. Now imagine this, a dark room lit with candles. Live musicians on harmonium, drums, guitar, sometimes electronic soundscapes. People standing, swaying, dancing, some crying, some smiling, some silent. No alcohol, no drugs. Yet people describe it as more powerful than any nightclub because the high is natural. It comes from connection, to rhythm, to breath, to something greater than ourselves. This movement grew quietly from yoga communities, ISKCON temples, and spiritual festivals. And now, it has become a global culture. Let's begin our trail. Destination 1. New York City, the spiritual underground capital. New York City, the city that never sleeps. And surprisingly, the city that never stops chanting. Beneath the skyscrapers, beyond Wall Street, past Times Square, exists a sacred underground scene. 1. The Bhakti Center, Manhattan, tucked inside the Lower East Side. The Bhakti Center comes alive at night. Shoes off at the door, candles glowing, a gentle hum filling the room. Here, Kirtan feels like a concert, but the audience is also the choir. Voices rise together, strangers become community, and the outside world disappears. 2. ISKCON Brooklyn. Across the river, in Brooklyn, a temple that feels like stepping into another dimension. Friday and Saturday nights, drums echo like heartbeats. Devotees dance, arms raised, eyes closed. Some visitors come out of curiosity. Many leave transformed. 3. Ecstatic dance, NYC. Not religious, not silent either. A fusion of world music, mantra, tribal beats, and free-form movement. No talking, no phones, only movement and breath. New York's spiritual nightlife is intense, raw, and unforgettable. Vibe, sacred rave energy. Destination 2, Los Angeles. Mantras meet the movies. Los Angeles, where yoga studios outnumber fast food chains, where spiritual teachers walk alongside movie stars, and where Bhajan clubbing feels cinematic. 1. Bhakti Fest, the Desert Gathering, just outside the city, in Joshua Tree. An annual event draws thousands. Daytime yoga, nighttime kirtans under the stars, fire pits, desert wind, mantras floating into infinity. Some call it spiritual Coachella. 2. ISKCON, Culver City, one of the most vibrant temples in America. Live bands, professional musicians, devotional EDM blends with ancient chants. 3. Yoga West and Wanderlust events. Here, Bhajan clubbing becomes performance art, light shows, high-quality sound systems, professional singers, yet the heart remains the same. Devotion, vibe, spiritual glamour with depth. Destination 3. San Francisco Bay Area, birthplace of ecstatic dance, foggy mornings, tech startups, Golden Gate Bridge, and one of the deepest conscious communities in America. 1. Dance Church, San Francisco and Oakland. Sunday nights, hundreds gather. Music slowly builds, from soft chanting to powerful tribal rhythms. No choreography, no judgment, only expression. 2. Berkeley ISKCON, traditional, powerful, authentic, young and old chanting together. Here, time feels irrelevant. Vibe, ancient devotion meets modern awareness. Destination 4. Austin, Texas, the live music. Bhajan City, guitars, drums, open skies. Austin blends bhajans with blues, folk, and indie music. 1. Casa de Luz, a spiritual community center. Plant-based food, night kirtans, jam session-style devotion. People bring their own instruments. You don't watch, you participate. Vibe, campfire meets temple. Destination 5. Boulder and Denver, mountain mysticism, high altitude, clear skies, silence between chants. Here, spirituality feels close to nature. 1. Naropa University events, Buddhist influence, deep meditation between songs. 2. Boulder ecstatic dance, bare feet on wooden floors, sweat, smiles, release. Vibe, sacred retreat energy. Destination 6. Maui, Hawaii, Bhajans in paradise, waves, palm trees, stars, temple bells. 1. ISKCON, Maui, outdoor chanting, oceans as background music. 2. Beachside curtains, no walls, only sky. Devotion rises with the tide. Vibe, heaven on earth. Destination 7. Portland, Oregon, alternative spirituality, indie culture, poetry, experimental sounds. Here, bhajans mix with ambient music, spoken word, soft electronic beats. Vibe, artistic devotion. What to expect? At Bhajan clubbing, no alcohol, no drugs, no judgment. You may cry, you may dance wildly, you may sit in silence. All are welcome. Dress comfortably. Respect the space. Final message: why this matters. In a world addicted to noise, Bhajan Clubbing offers silence inside sound. In a culture chasing escape, it offers presence. In nightlife built on forgetting, it offers remembering who we are, where we come from, and what truly connects us. This is not just travel, it is pilgrimage. If you ever find yourself in these cities, follow the sound of drums, and you may find something more valuable than entertainment. You may find yourself. Thank you for traveling with KrossTrail. If you enjoyed this journey, like, subscribe, and share this trail with someone who needs a different kind of nightlife. Until next time, keep exploring, keep crossing trails.